What's good, YouTube? This is Fifi's Dungeon. My name is Rafrido Mahosi, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to another video. I think this is my fourth, fifth, third upload. I don't know. I'll check. Welcome to the video. I don't know. I'm just gonna be ranting for 5-6 minutes, basically. But yeah. I just wanted to make this video for a couple different reasons actually. First of all, I just wanted to just catch up on some of my editing skills and my sound quality skills. The initial sound quality, the sound quality in this video is it's gonna be a bit bad. It's gonna be bad because I'm recording with my phone. I haven't gotten any equipment yet because I just started with this stuff, so I'm still trying to get the editing process and trying to make it better and stuff like that. I'm trying to focus on the editing side of things just to make sure I get everything good before I get all the major equipment to really get into this. So yeah, that's first major reason why I did this video. Second reason is just to talk to you all about what the plan is for this channel. Initially the channel was supposed to be a gaming thing. It was supposed to be a gaming channel. It was supposed to just be about gaming stuff because I'm a big time gamer, so I just wanted to turn that into content. But thing is, with gaming let me say not everybody is into gaming content, so I was thinking maybe I should try and expand and do other stuff and just to expand the channel and diversify it like that. So I could be doing song reactions, I could be doing gaming content, I could be doing try not to laugh, I could be doing a lot of stuff, a different variety of things. I just want this channel just to be, just to be everybody's cup of tea. I want it to be a channel for everyone, basically. I want it to be as much y'all's channel as it is mine, basically. You guys can give me ideas and input into the stuff, and I can just use y'all's stuff and ideas just in the YouTube channel and try to improve based on that and based on the ideas that I've been coming up with. So it's our channel, basically. It's our thing. That's what I'm trying to create, which is why I don't want to stick to gaming only. I want to do a multitude of things. But the thing is, I've been thinking about a lot of different ideas, and I ain't gonna lie, I'm low-key stuck. So I'm thinking y'all can just, if you have any ideas or suggestions and anything like that, y'all can just put them down in the comments below and I can read them. If you want my IG and you can DM me some of that stuff, I'll put the link in the description below. Because yeah, it's like I said, it's your channel just as much as it is mine. You come here for entertainment and good content. It's my job to make it. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. Also, to the people who have subscribed and viewed and liked my stuff so far, I just wanted to thank all of you who've done that. Thank you for the support. It really means a lot. It's not a lot at this stage, but it's something. It's something that, it really uplifts me just to know that there is support here and there's some stuff that we need to do. But yeah, it's good to have a good foundation and a good support group and some good followers there. That's how I feel about it. That's basically that's basically everything I have to say. Also, I just want to say quick shout out to Young Redemption, hope I said that right. He's a friend of mine. He's a good guy. He makes music. He's got a YouTube channel. I'll put the link down in the description below. Y'all can check him out. Check out his stuff. I used his music in the background, as you can hear. But yeah, it's some good stuff. Y'all can go listen to it yourselves and subscribe to his channel too. Subscribe to his stuff too. And yeah, I'm gonna be using his music a lot in this channel. And yeah, he's a good dude. He makes a lot of good music. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. Yeah, I don't know when I'm upload again, but we'll see. But for now, thanks for making it this far. If you've made this far, then thank you. I know I've just been ranting about a lot of different things, but hey, it is what it is. So thank you for making it this far. Remember to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to do, what you want me to do, and any ideas and stuff like that. And like I said, my IG down in the description below. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Peace out, guys.